Behold the Vegas from UM. The Renegade series continues, and this is just a toned down version of UM Renegade Sport S, named as UM Renegade Vegas. Actually, UM names its bike on, I don't know what, but I think they're trying to name everything after everything that is in United States, like from Mojave to this, to Thor. I don't know, maybe they're too inspired with Hollywood. But anyways, right at the Auto Expo where they unveiled the UM Renegade Thor, they also unveiled Renegade Duty Ace and Renegade Duty S. There comes another bike which is called UM Renegade Vegas. The engine is pretty much same. The engine is exactly same. The 279 point something cc engine, the 300 cc engine that is in all their bikes is again on this bike. The styling is a bit different. The handlebars are different. It gets an all LED design, and here's the info on it because it's same on everything. So I don't know, not much to say anything about it. But the headlight looks cool. I'm not sure if it's going to be on the production ready model, or I'm not sure, maybe something. The seats were very comfortable. That's the one thing I noticed. Nothing else is going on. The styling is a bit different, but at the heart of it, you know what you're getting. You're getting the same UM Renegade bike, like Classic or the Vegas, or sorry, the Mojave, the Classic, the Sport. So yes, this is all about it. From the profile, as you can see, this looks pretty decent. UM always follows the 360-degree illumination logic in its bike, so that the biker is visible from all sides. That's a good thing. But that's it. The price has not been disclosed yet. It does look good, which I like. So yes, this is just another bike from UM which has same engine but looks good, looks different. So if that's your thing, then you'll be interested in the UM Renegade Vegas. So for more videos like this, keep subscribed, keep liking, keep sharing, and I will see you in the next video, of course.